Do you live here?
for 10 years.
9 years ago.
9 years ago. Oh, great.
We live here 3 years and a half.
2 years and a half.
3 years and a half.
3 years and
Yes.
a half.
We are here for 10 days.
10 days.
2 years, 2.5 years.
2.5 years. Help
No problem.
and enjoy. And
Hello everyone! What makes Villamartin so special? Today we'll find out from the people who chose to live and spend their holidays here. Let's go!
hello, I'm Olga. Nice to meet you. What is your name?
My name is George.
George. How long are you here? Oh,
I've
do you live
lived here
here?
for 10 years.
10 years. And where are you from?
From the very, very north of Scotland.
Oh, great. And why have you chosen Villamartin?
I was a friend of mine asked me to come for a weekend. I came for a weekend, flew back to Scotland, threw everything in the car and drove back down. I've been here since.
So you came once and you fell in love?
Loved the place and I've been here since.
And will you prefer to stay here?
Oh yes, definitely. I don't want to go back to I go back to Scotland for weddings and funerals.
Oh, so all your life is here now in Spain?
Everyone's here, yes, yes.
So, and maybe is it something that you really don't like here in Spain, in Villamartin?
I love the weather, the climate is amazing. Yeah. Villamartin is a really great place. The Hen's Teeth, my friend Steve, who owns it, excellent. Yeah, you got really good food. But I really enjoy the climate.
Okay.
Compared to being back in Scotland in the winter, it's too cold.
So
Yeah. So yeah, everything's good.
So you're happy here?
Oh yes, without a doubt. Yeah.
Okay, great, and thank you. Enjoy your evening.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Do you have any property here?
We do, yes.
Yes. And is it in Villamartin?
Yes.
So when have you bought it?
9 years ago.
9 years ago. Oh, great! And are you live permanently here?
No.
No. So just in vacation. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes, do you
Definitely.
Yeah. Maybe there is some like what you don't like in Villamartin in Spain.
It's now too many properties are being built,
Yes.
so it's now got very overcrowded. Less investment from the Oriella
Oh, okay.
into the Costa.
Yeah.
So yes, it's just become more like every country. More people are buying, but less facilities.
Yeah. Unfortunately, yeah. And something else? Do you or
No.
You enjoy
we
it?
love it.
Enjoy it.
We love it.
here.
you love it?
The weather,
Yeah. The weather, the people,
we got lots of friends we
friends
know,
we've made.
Oh, great.
Yeah,
Great.
we love
and
it.
we've also made money on our investment.
Great. So thank you for your help and enjoy your evening. Bye bye.
What YouTube?
YouTube, buy your eyes.
Buy your
Buy your eyes.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Do you have any property in Villamartin?
Yes.
Yes.
We live here 3 years and a half.
2 years and a half.
3 years and a half.
3 years and
Yes.
a half. And
And it's
yes.
yeah, it's no problem.
And why did you? Yes.
We love it here. We
Why?
come from Belgium. Why?
Wow.
Because in Spain is no stress.
Yes. Tranquila.
You
y
live
paz.
tranquila, no stress.
Yes.
That's all.
why you
That's the
choose-
reason. Yeah. And I'm retired,
Oh, okay. You don't look
pensionista.
tired.
I'm 69.
Oh, come on. Really?
Yes. That's because the weather of here.
In Spain, yeah.
I always younger and younger.
Great. Thank you for your help.
No problem.
And enjoy your evening. Thank you. Do you have any property in Villamartin?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
How long?
2 years, 2.5 years.
2.5 years. And where are you from?
Sweden.
Sweden, great. So tell me please if you like to live in Villamartin.
Yes, I do.
Yes? Do you like everything or do you,
Well, I like everything because you're in the physical center of the universe, so to speak. Everything is here. Food, bars, taxi, buses, everything.
do you have any hobby?
No,
Not yet?
just keep alive.
Just keep alive. So do you live here permanently?
Currently.
So,
Yeah.
Great. Thank you for your help
Yeah,
and
you're
enjoy your
welcome.
evening.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yes,
You live in Villamartin?
No.
No? In Costa Blanca?
Just holiday. We're on holiday.
Yeah,
Villamartin,
okay,
holiday.
that's great.
it.
I mean, we need your opinion about this place.
Right,
That's
okay.
it. So, do you like here? How long are you here?
We are here for 10 days.
10 days.
Yes.
And will you prefer to come back?
Yes, definitely.
Yes. And if you have any chance to buy property here in Villamartin,
My dad has a property. It's his property we stay in.
here?
Just
Yes.
up the road in
Here?
Villamartin, and we come every 2-3 times a year.
oh, great.
But he's only got it for the last year or so, and it's been amazing.
Amazing.
It's really good.
Do you
really
like
good.
everything here, or maybe you have something that you really don't like?
No, so far, everything, yeah.
The weather. Definitely the weather.
Yeah.
It's going to be
The
good.
lifestyle.
It's good.
Do you have-
I play golf as well.
Oh, so I wanted to
played
ask
golf
you
a few
about
times.
any
I played golf a
hobby.
few times. They're not a big fan of golf. Right? They
No?
don't like
Maybe
it. But
paddle? Paddle? Have you tried?
I like paddleboarding.
Oh, great. So everyone has his hobby here in Spain.
Yeah. Mine just to relax.
The vino, el vino.
Vino Blanca? Yes. Thank you for your
nice.
help
No
and
worries.
enjoy your
Thank you.
evening.
Cheers,
Bye-bye. Any of you has a property in Villamartin?
Here's one here.
Here in Villamartin. Across the Villamartin. And why have you chosen Villamartin?
I've not chosen Villamartin. I don't stay
mean,
there.
across.
Oh,
Costa
for here?
Blanca. Yeah. Why Costa Blanca?
The weather
And
and the beer and the women.
and the women.
Am I getting filmed here? Donna loves it here.
Okay. And, what do you prefer here in Costa Blanca the most?
I don't know, just the atmosphere and the weather and the beer.
And where are you from?
Scotland.
Scotland.
Yeah.
Do you live here permanently?
No.
Just on a vacation.
Yeah.
And what are you doing with your property while you're not here?
It's empty or?
No, somebody looks after it.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
So, and you? Thank you. Do you have a property here in Costa Blanca? Not yet? Not yet?
Not yet. We're just blagging off him.
Oh, great. Nice friends. So thank you for your time and enjoy your evening. Thank you.
Thank you.